Welcome. On this video, we will demonstrate how to create an AR invoice in SAP Business One, calculating taxes with the AvaTax add-on. We go to the Sales AR menu and we select AR invoice. The first thing we do is we select a new customer. We select some items for this invoice. We change the quantity. Select another item. We change the quantity. Now that we have selected the customer and the items, the first thing that we should check is the ship to address of this customer. So we go to the Logistics tab and we check the ship to address. If we open this window, we see how the ship to address is written. We have a button here that says Validate Address. This is a function that AvaTax gives us to validate the address. If we click on it, we will see that the zip code, the county, the street, and the city are written in a specific way which AvaTax uses to calculate tax. So now that we have our address validated, we click on Update and we close this window. The next thing that we should do is to check the address of the warehouse. So we go to the Contents tab, we open the warehouse, and we see the button Validate Address again. We click on it and we will see how the address changes. Now that the warehouse address is validated, we click on Update and we close this window. Now we are ready to calculate our taxes. Before doing that, we should check that the user-defined fields are visible and the warehouse column is also visible on the contents table. We have a button that's called Calculate Tax. We click that button, we will see some windows popping up and then disappearing, and now we have our taxes calculated. We have a label that's called AvaTax Sales Tax, where we can see our calculated tax. As we can see, this tax is assigned as a freight. If we open the freight window, we will see that we have a special freight called AvaTax, and if we check on the amount, it will be the calculated tax. We can see that we also have the other freights, that we can add them. If we see at the regularly used tax label, it sums up 0. The AvaTax tax is not assigned to this label. It's assigned to the AvaTax Sales Tax label. So now that the tax is calculated, we are ready to add this document. We click on Add. And the document is added. Every time you add an AR invoice or a credit memo, the document is uploaded to the Avalara web portal. So now we know how to insert an AR invoice with the calculated tax using the AvaTax add-on.